You know, for so many Coloradans, today has just been miserable.
Yeah.
Hundreds have been involved in accidents, and getting anywhere, nerve-wracking.
But plenty of others had a really good time in the snow, especially a couple of college kids from Alabama who'd never seen anything like this before. Denver 7 photojournalist Franz Barraza has their story.
Wow.
Mia, come look at this.
I know, I was just looking at it in the other room.
Isn't that crazy?
I know, look at the wind. It's like curling around. Wow, oh my God.
Freezing out here.
Look at the tree. It's completely covered with snow. It's gorgeous.
I have never seen anything like this before.
That's crazy. I gotta get supplies to work on my biology notebook.
Is Target in walking distance?
Yeah, it's not too far.
We definitely need to bundle up. I can't make it like this.
Oh my gosh. How much snow is this? Oh my gosh.
Oh, it hurts. I can't see anything.
My hands are so cold. That was wind. Oh!
Just so nobody gets injured, man. No ice on the ground, nobody slips, nobody falls.
We've got some colored pencils and some index cards. Gotta walk back. Gotta brace the wind and the snow. Oh. Yeah, we're definitely staying inside today. We are not going back out there.
They didn't even get good snacks. That's what you do when
That's
you're hunkered
exactly
up inside.
right. All right, next time. Well, they're not in Mobile anymore.
That's right.
That's for
now
sure.
they know.